In this video, I am refreshing my beverage station. So if you want to see what I've got going on, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about products that you can benefit from in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's jump into the challenge. Bum Bea, Joan, and Tammie asked us to refresh our beverage stations or bar carts for fall. So I thought I would show you my tiny little beverage station. I pretty much have a coffee station, but I also have some items on it for hot chocolate and tea. So let's take a look. As you can see, I have a Keurig, so everything revolves around that. I use the little K-cups. I'll show you where I keep them. This is the drawer where I keep my coffee supplies. Back here, I have my K-cups. And this will hold a box of 12. So I keep those in here. And then when I'm having company and I need to add extra, I just refill it every morning. Over here, I have sweeteners. Different kinds of sweeteners over here. Here I have my coffee stirrers. Here I've got a couple different kinds of latte. And then I also keep different varieties of teas in this drawer. There's some hot chocolate and loose tea. And then of course I have more hot chocolate and teas elsewhere. And if someone asks for tea that's not in here, I'll simply put this tin on the counter. Because as you can see, it's got quite a variety of teas. I also keep napkins here in the drawer, and then here are some trivets for tea bags. Now let's see what's going on top of the counter. First of all, note my cute little coffee sign. It says coffee shop open 24 hours. And then right next to that, I've got a collection of coffee mugs. This little tray here almost always sits out on the counter, but I do switch out what's on it. So I've added this sugar bowl here so that if people need additional sweeteners for their coffee or their tea, it's right there. If they want to make themselves a pot of tea and just have something to pour from, they can use this teapot here. And when they want to get to the things behind it, they can just move this aside. You can see my stacked tiers of coffee mugs right there, and those are perfect for fall. I love the color, so I brought them out to complement the color scheme that I'm working with for fall. And then right there, I've got my little honey pot. Should someone want honey for their tea, it's readily available. And then here are two sweeteners for the coffee. There's vanilla syrup, and then my favorite, salted caramel. And then we've got cinnamon, cocoa, and then raw sugar or turbinado cane sugar for coffee, should they want that as well. And I switched out the cup that usually lives on the Keurig with this bright one that has that bright orange sunflower right in the center. Again, just zhuzhing things up for fall. And right behind my rooster is a picture that says a cafe latte. I picked that up thrifting, and it's just perfect, a perfect little compliment for this corner. And the coffee shop open 24 hours sign came from Hobby Lobby. As well as those beautiful little kind of a coppery brown coffee mugs. And then the other things on the end of the counter are just things that I use on a day-to-day basis that have nothing to do with my beverage station. And if people needed additional mugs, there's more right here above the beverage station. Now let me take this opportunity to thank Bum Bea, Tammie and Joni for hosting this collaboration. It was something that I needed to get done, so now it's done sooner rather than later. If you're not familiar with Bum Bea or Tammie or Joni's channel, I will link them below so that you can get to know them. I've gotten to know Bea just a little bit, but Tammie and Joni are new to me as well, so I'll be getting to know them just like you will. Now here's my question for you. What part of this beverage station did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in another video.